Hello and welcome. Let's continue. So I'm going to quickly share my screen. Okay. Where are we? So this is where we stopped. We were able to connect we're able to create a database for our WordPress, install it, and we installed a new theme known as Solo. So that's the theme we are using, Solo theme. And we're able to go to the site identity and change the site name together with the little tagline. And to get this, I'll simply click here and get back to the dashboard so that I can see where this was done. So I want to continue to modify our theme. So I'm going to allow us to ask questions now, in case if you are not able to do your own the way mine is. For our audience, our digital audience, this question is for you. All the people that are here with us, I think everybody is good to go now. So for our digital audience, did you encounter any problem? Okay. So I think everybody is on the same note, no problems. So let's get back to the dashboard so that we can modify this to look at what we want. We all know that I told us before that this is the website for Tclassified.com. And currently we want to modify this website, want to rework it, want to take out what we have and replace it with a WordPress site. So this is the site I have. It was built in JavaScript using Node.js and using also basic vanilla, some basic vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. But we want something better with more features. So we're going to recreate this website with WordPress and make it look better. And I'm doing it that way also because, as we all know, WordPress is a content management system. I need my workers to be able to update this website. This website here, they don't update it, but they see the Jambo Ekene unit site that is built on WordPress. They can always update it every day. In fact, they update it every day. All these blog posts, they are the people posting them on a daily basis. They can work on any part of this website because it's a content management system. If somebody that learns basic computer operations can be able to manage the website for you. But you see this one that was done in Node.js and JavaScript, it's only me that can work on it. And because I need a sweeter workflow, that's why I want to redesign this now with WordPress. But like you all know, like I told you before, if you're going for an employment opportunity in big companies, they are not going to be needing people that know WordPress. Because if you want people that know WordPress, there are plenty of people that know WordPress. You mustn't be a programmer for you to do what I'm doing with you now in WordPress. Is that clear? Somebody that just finished primary school can start working, can build a WordPress that is so more beautiful than this one that I have here now. Far more beautiful. So you mustn't be a programmer to use WordPress. But when you're a programmer, using WordPress becomes easier. That's what it does. And you can actually modify some certain aspects of the WordPress with your knowledge of HTML, CSS, and PHP. So we'll try to recreate this website now, make it more beautiful using WordPress, and that is what we are doing. So I just went to the back end, so I can go to customize so that I can continue customizing this website. So I click on appearance, then I go to theme. Okay, I have customized there already because I've already picked it. theme, no need for that. So I click on customize. So please go to appearance and customize. If you're there, you tell me. So you can see that it's taking time to load. If you disconnect your connection from any form of internet, your own will be faster. You understand? This is a locally installed stuff. But if you're on network, it will try to fetch things for you. It will think when you go to team, it will think you want to look up things from the internet. So it tends to be slower, you understand? But if you go to your network, remove every network there, because this is installed in the system, it will move faster. But you know, if you're not connected to the internet, when you go to look for all those teams, you will not see them there. You only see those 3 initial teams that are there. So you can use from only those 3. But if you want to have the pleasure of picking from anything, then you have to be on the internet. Are we together? Leonard, you're making noise. Okay. So where did we stop? We're in the header. Is it in the header? We've not gotten to the header, huh? Global. We did not look at global, huh? Okay. So I think we were at, we stopped at, where do we stop? Site identity or what? Yeah, okay, yeah. So we stop at that site identity. So if you click on that getting started, you can get to this place. Just click on customize back so that we can get back to site identity. Okay. Can't find my site identity. I think because I already saved and published. Okay. Let me still go to header and see. Okay. Okay, it's in the header, please. Click your header. The site identity is there. Are we on the header? So site identity. So this is my site and I want to now use a logo. I'm going to click on select logo. Are we seeing what I'm doing? So when you click on select logo, you are now going to click on select file so that you can import a file from your desktop. You must have designed your logo and kept it somewhere. So my graphics engineer just did a logo for me. And if you're starting a basic business, you know that you're going to be your graphics engineer. Are you aware of that? So you design your graphics by yourself. The first one I did, the one I did for Jambo Ekene Uni, I designed everything by myself. But now I have plenty workers working with me. So I don't have to take through the stress of designing the logo by myself. So once you get to your where you save the logo, this is my logo here, Tclassified.com logo. So I click on it and click on open. So the logo is going to be uploaded into my WordPress. Okay, so you can see it here. So that is the logo. I'm going to take this out so that you can see what next I'm going to do. So you can see this select down here. I'll click on it because that's the logo I want. So you can see here they said you should do what? What did they say you should do? To crop the image. Sorry for this. I'm going to click here so that this will become smaller. Locking out view. Okay. So it's telling me to crop image. So I'll click on crop image since all of it is selected. Are you there? So once you click there, you can see now that there is my logo here now. So in place of that word that I had before, I'm now having the logo. So you can either have a write-up or you have your logo. But I prefer a logo. So I'm going to be having my logo now. So this is my logo. Then when I now go to tagline, I'll simply impute this there. Can you see what I just did now? So I just imputed so that I now have Tclassified.com EdTech ICT, Educational Technology and Software Development. So that is what I have now. Are we together on that? If it is clear, you tell me. Is it clear? Okay. Fortune is clear for you. What of you, Joshua? Is clear. What of you, Remy? Is clear. Abdulmumin, is it clear? Where are you? Do you have a logo? Okay, don't have a logo. So you can follow up when you have a logo. Okay, so that's what I have now. Can you see this place, the roadside icon? Can you see? Can you see site icon? So site icon is a favicon that comes. You know what they call favicon? If you're looking, look at me when I put is. This is what they call favicon. This small sign. That's what favicon is. So I'm going to add my site icon. I'm going to click again. But I want to use my logo as my site icon. So I'm still going to select the site icon and click on what? Select. So once it's selected, you can see a sample of it by this side. Can you look at this side? Can you see a sample of it? So it's showing you how it's going to look like. So I'm going to click on crop image again. Okay, so you can see it now. So I now have a site icon. Even if you look at my website also now, you see that I'm now having the site icon there. So it's now there. So I've been able to put the logo and also put the site icon. And those are the most important things. And those are things we are doing now. So I'm going to publish. And once I'm done publishing, I should be able to close it off. And what? Then I go here and click on view site so that I will see the effect. Okay, so you can see now my site is better now. I now have my logo here. Under it, I have Tclassified.com, EdTech and ICT, Educational Technology and Software Development. So that is what I have now. And also, on top of this place, I can see my logo there. So that's how you do that. That is how you bring in Favicon and you also bring in your logo into your website. So please, I'm going to stop here and allow you to design your logos or get something that we use as your logo so that you can follow up. You replay this video, try it out, put your logo, put your Favicon, and we'll continue. Thank you. God bless you. Any questions before I sign off?
So,
yeah.
Is it a must? Is it possible for this tagline not to be by the side of the logo instead of under it?
Yeah, the tagline is what is under it, but you can also put something here. You can write something beside.
Okay.
Using a method that I'll be showing you later.
Okay.
Exactly. You can actually write something very bold here as the name of the system. Any further questions? Okay, thank you. God bless you. See you when I see you. Yes, I did not share this online. So I'm going to quickly do that now. So you can actually sign off, all of you can sign off if you wish to. I'm gonna just repeat what I just did. Okay, like I said, you can sign off if you wish to, but I'm quickly gonna reverse what I just did now. Okay. So this is where we are. So I just inserted the logo of the company and also put the Favicon. So to put the logo and the Favicon, we have to get back to our what? Dashboard. So if you earlier followed the class, you can actually sign off. Okay. At the dashboard here, quickly go to appearance and go to customize. Okay. Here in the customize, click on header. Then inside header, click on site identity. So you're going to see a place where they said logo. Click on that. Then go to your desktop or anywhere you have your logo. Click on the logo, install it, and click on select. You have your logo come out here. Then once you're done doing that, you scroll down. You're going to see a place where they wrote site logo. Click on that link. Go to your computer where you saved your site logo or site graphics. I'm also using my logo as it. So click on it and click on select, then it will come up here. So this site logo is what comes up here. So this is YouTube site logo. This is Jambo unit site logo. This is Tclassified site logo. So anything you put here, that's what comes out here. So once you're done with that, click on publish. And once you click on publish, your site should look exactly like this. So that is what I did. I had earlier done this. I didn't know that I wasn't on Facebook Live and on YouTube Live. That's why I'm having to show you again. But I just did this now for people that joined the Zoom class. So if you are our digital audience on Facebook and on YouTube, that is what we just finished now. So please do it. And if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. I'll read through them and I'll get back to you. Thank you.